Hey, have you ever noticed the plain white switchboards in the corner of your room? No, right? You must be so used to turning switches on and off that you hardly notice them. So friends, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert boring old switchboards into cute and creative ones. Also, this is one of the cheapest and easiest methods to change the look of your switchboards. So let's begin. Hints I have used: a pencil, eraser, acrylic paint, and a brush. Now just draw the structure with your pencil so that if you make any mistake, you can correct it using an eraser. Here I have drawn 3 girls dancing in different poses. Once you finish the drawing part, start painting. And see, that's how it looks. Next, I have drawn a panda bear peeking out from behind the switchboard saying hi. It looks really very cute. Now, let's move on to another one. For a colorful switchboard art, draw a tree using a pencil. Paint the tree with black acrylic paint. Use green paint to make the leaves. And I have used pink color to make flowers. You can use any color that you like. So friends, these were some creative switchboard ideas that I have tried. If you liked my video, please comment below, share with your friends, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.